In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide will make the process smooth and straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the QuickBooks homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the QuickBooks website. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first. Next, locate and click on the New button. This is your starting point for creating any new documents or transactions in QuickBooks. It's typically found in the main navigation bar. Once you click on it, you'll see a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Credit Note. This option allows you to issue a credit to a customer, which can be useful in situations where you need to adjust an invoice due to a return or error. With the Credit Note template open, the first field you'll need to fill in is the customer's name. As you start typing, QuickBooks will automatically suggest matches from your existing customer list, which can save you time. Choose the correct customer from the list. Now, it's time to enter the customer's email address. Make sure the email is accurate, as this is where their credit note will be sent. Accuracy here will prevent potential confusion or delays in the communication with your customer. After that, you'll need to select the product that's being credited. Click on the Product field, and a list of your available products and services will appear. Choose the relevant item that corresponds to the situation you're dealing with. If you need to credit a service instead, simply click on Services and select the one your customer initially purchased. Then, you'll want to enter the exact amount that needs to be credited back to the customer. Be sure to double-check this figure to ensure it's correct, reflecting either a partial or full credit as needed. Finally, when everything has been filled in correctly and you're satisfied with the details, it's time to click on Send and Close. This will finalize the credit note, emailing it to your customer and updating your financial records simultaneously. With these steps completed, your credit note has been successfully created and sent in QuickBooks. Remember, accuracy is key throughout this process, as it ensures your records are precise and your customer service is seamless. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.